Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. If you're new here, my name is Kira, Island Socialist on Instagram, and my blog is islandsocialist.com. For today's episode of Vlogmas, it's a very special one because I am taking part in the This Is Vlogmas December vlog tour. And this is hosted by the lovely Laura from Specky Seamstress. For this vlog tour, we have vloggers from the 1st of December all the way up to Christmas Eve. So I'm going to list everybody down below so you can go and watch the videos that you didn't get to see, and so you can subscribe to everybody who's coming up so that you do not miss their videos. Yesterday was the gorgeous Haley from So Haley Jane. Most of you probably know her from her subscription boxes. She took us around the area and I was really pleased to see a zero waste shop. I've never seen anything like that before, but you're gonna have to go check out her vlog to see it all. And up tomorrow we have the coolest kid on the block, Danny from Pocket R2. Danny has such a keen eye for accessories. Like, I need her to teach me some things. Anyways, I didn't wake up like this. I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. I am shooting. If you've been following me on Vlogmas, all this time you know I've been working on the Forget Me Not patterns Sabrina skirt. So today is take 2 photo shoot time. Hopefully it works this time. I did change my styling. I'm in neon today. I don't think I've ever worn neon in my entire life. This is new for me. I think Danny's influencing me already. All right, I'm out. Catch you guys later. For those of you that don't know me, I live on a tiny island in the Caribbean Sea called Barbados. So right now I am heading into the city, what we call town, heading into town to try to shoot this skirt for the second time. Today's Sunday, and usually on Sundays town is basically shut down, and I think that is the case throughout the Caribbean. However, at Christmas time on a Sunday, town comes alive. I mean, it's busier than in the week. So hopefully the spot that I'm going to has no people and no vehicles and I can get this thing done. Also, this may seem like a perk to you guys, but it's really sunny out. The sun is not the best thing for photography. What had happened was there are people at my spot because town is open already. I tried to come early hoping that town wouldn't be open yet, but as it's getting closer to Christmas, it seems as though town opened at like 8 o'clock. So, and I usually shoot in a parking lot, and the parking lot is also open. So there are cars there, and it's also right next to a cafe, and the cafe is also open. I guess they're doing breakfast for this time of year. So on to the next one. Look at the birdies. What type of bird is that anyway? Seagulls. And those are flying fish. How is the turtle background?
It looks nice. You're blocking out the turtle face though.
For real?
Yeah.
Shoot.
People can't see the turtle smiling. Alright, let's go.
The monkeys. Bad behavior monkey.
And a frog. Don't forget the frog. I should get that shot.
On the road again. Just got home from my shoot and realized I don't have any makeup wipes, so I'm running to the store quickly to get some makeup wipes. And then it's pretty much lunchtime. I don't know where the day went. And we want to try to get in a snorkel today, but that depends on the state of the sea. All of the good stuff. Something's hiding in here. Quick lunch for the road because we have a few errands to run. And I'm having my favorite. Pizza is like my absolute favorite food. It doesn't matter what the toppings are. Just give me pizza any day, anytime. I could literally eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm back at home now. I got my makeup off. I'm getting ready to go to the beach to try to get a snorkel in, but the weather is looking absolutely horrendous. I'm wearing my Evie swimsuit in my Katie Cartman print from Spoonflower. I have a feeling the sea is going to be really rough and also freezing. Wish me luck. We're matching! Guys, I am wearing the first thing I ever made from a commercial sewing pattern. I barely squeezed into them, but the fabric is stretchy so they still fit. I can't even remember the pattern now, but it's someone calls pattern though, and it's actually a unisex pattern. So I actually made a pair for hubby as well. And at the time when I made this pants, I didn't know anything about full seat adjustments, and it really could do it one. But because I have on a skin, it's going to be just fine. Nobody is going to know, and I'm going to be nice and warm in the freezing cold water. Badakwa! You care to join me in my rendition?
Eskimos! Everybody knows.
And some mistletoe. The season bright.
Tiny thoughts.
All aglow. It's hard to sleep tonight. Santa's on his way.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face.
Just got out the water looking like a wet fowl. Actually wasn't that cold, and we did see some pretty cool stuff. Hopefully we captured the moments. We saw a turtle. Oh yeah, 2 turtles. We saw a sand dollar, a flounder. What's flounder's name? Flounders. A flounder. And I learned something today. Never shave your eyebrows before you go into the sea. And my eyebrows are on fire. Alright, gonna dry off and then look for some food.
As we walk from house